Today I've got a very nice looking fat bike called the R1 from Snapcycle. Now these guys are competing against some big brands in the $1,500 range, but I don't think they have anything to worry about. Not only is the R1 the best looking bike I reviewed in this range, it's also one of the best performing. It's like the very attractive blonde that's smart and funny. So let me show you what I'm talking about, starting off with a speed test. Now I should be able to get up to 28 miles per hour. That's what the highest pedal assist level is rated for. I've got 3 out of the 5 battery bars left, my speed app open, a nice flat trail in front of me. I'm going to show you how fast you can go in every speed mode, starting off with speed mode 1. For pedal assist 1, I got 7 miles per hour. Pedal assist 2, 12. Pedal assist 3, 17. Pedal assist 4, 22. And pedal assist 5, the highest mode, 26 miles per hour, which is too shy of the rating. Now, even though it didn't reach the rating, 26 miles per hour is still one of the fastest bikes for this price range. The R1 comes with a 750 watt brushless gear hub motor, powered by a 48 volt, 14 amp hour lithium Samsung battery that's fully integrated into the frame, can easily be removed, and takes 4 to 5 hours for recharge. The bike ties for the lightest bike in this range at 72 pounds, but also has the lightest carrying capacity of 275. As most of you know, I'm 185 pounds and wanted to see how long it would take to top the bike out. Now the acceleration is on the slower side right off the line. The power doesn't really kick in till about 15 to 20 feet. Now the throttle tops out at 23 miles per hour in 12.5 seconds, while pedal assist takes just over 17 seconds and reaches 26 miles per hour. Overall, the R1 is around average for acceleration in this range. This is the range test. I've got a full battery pedal assist level 5, tracking app open. I'm gonna keep it around 20 miles per hour. That's as fast as I can go on this trail. Let's see what I can get. Here's everything I liked and didn't like about the R1.
Well, the design of this bike is a little bit different than the other models that I reviewed over the past couple months. It has the 2 bars going down. That bottom one is super thick, but the battery is built into the frame, which is my favorite type of design. You can tell they put some effort into it, making it stand out from all the other companies in this price range. And the coloring is fantastic. I really like the dark gray. And it's kind of hard to tell, but the brand name glistens in the sun. Just little things like that that make the bike stand out.
I also like the red on the derailleur that matches the strip on the front fork suspension and lockout switch. These guys just went the extra mile to make this bike look good. Now Snapcycle does have a step-through version of the R1 and a foldable model. The R1 is currently being sold for $1,659 and only comes in one color. There is a rear rack with a weight capacity of 110 pounds and a front fender that comes with the bike. I didn't add it because I like to keep the bike as light as possible, and as most of you know, I don't like the look.
This is one of the bikes where right off the bat, I felt like I could ride it without any hands. It's balanced very well. It's as smooth and as solid feeling as any other bike I reviewed in this price range. I'm 5'11" and it feels like completely manageable for me. Some bikes I feel a little top heavy, not with this one. This fits my frame very well.
The bike is made from 6061 aluminum and is designed to fit a rider 5'3" to 6'4". As far as stability and control, it's at the top. I was taking 90-degree turns fast and easy. I only slowed down so I didn't slip on the leaves, which I have done before. Now I didn't get any video, but I did hit over 30 miles per hour coming down a couple hills, and felt fine going that fast. The R1 comes with aluminum alloy mid-rise 700mm handlebars that fit the frame of the bike well. I had good control and didn't feel cramped. I liked the stitch imitation leather grips, which were some of the nicer ones in this range. The half-twist throttle was also one of the nicer feeling throttles, and the aluminum alloy brake levers are some of the bigger levers I've seen, which felt durable and cut the power to the motor once pressed. The Shimano 6-speed system was fast and smooth, everything locked in without skipping, and I did like the Justech foam saddle. It's soft and formed to hold you in place.
The pedal assist sensitivity isn't my favorite. It's one of the longer delays for a bike in this price range. When I'm going flat out on gear 6th and I stop pedaling, it cuts out about a second later. And then when I begin to pedal, it's about 2 to 3 revolutions before it kicks back on. Now the throttle isn't attached to the pedal assist level. It gives you full power no matter what level you're on, which is nice. I do like that.
In the settings, you can switch that to match the pedal assist level or set to a top speed of 3.7 miles per hour for walk assist mode. You can also change the pedal assist levels from 5 up to 9. The R1 comes with a front fork spring suspension with 80mm of travel and can be adjusted and locked. Combine that with the 26x4" CST BFT all-terrain fat tires, and you've got yourself a bike that can handle some rough trails. I thought the suspension was the best in this class. I've never gone this fast on an off-road trail and felt such a smooth ride. This bike can handle more than just a nice dirt road. Once the battery died, my app showed 22.29 miles. I broke the range into 2 trips. Elevation gain was 691 feet, which isn't a lot. The trail was mostly flat with a large hill at the end. 22 miles is 8 miles less than the lower end of the rating, but I still thought that was pretty good for maxing the bike out. If you rode conservatively with a nice acceleration and speed of 20 miles per hour, which is the limit for most trails, I think you could easily see 30 plus miles. Now 22 miles is what you can expect for most brands in this price range. The R1 has a hill rating of 32%, and the motor produces 85 Newton meters of torque. Let's see how well it can climb. This is the hill test. I'm on the base of this mountain, and I've been on this hill one other time. If I had to guess, it's between 15 to 20%. There's some really steep sections. It's about probably a quarter of a mile long. I've got 4 out of the 5 battery bars left. All right, so let's see what this can do. Here we go. I've got my brother and my buddy on the same hill on different bikes, so my brother's ahead of me. I'm gonna see if I can catch him. Here's my brother, passing him like he's standing still.
I'm not standing still.
We'll see you at the top. Oh, down to 9. This is down to 8. A little section I got down to 7. And that's pretty much it. So there was about a 20% grade section back there, and the bike went down to 7 miles per hour. So it's actually got some really good hill climbing ability. Hey, you made it. About time.
You might give me some.
You're panting, man. I'm not panting at all. Like, why are you panting? That right there should explain how good of a hill climber this bike is. I'm not sure the bike could haul my weight up a 36% grade. I think around 22 to 23% is as steep as I could go. Next, let's test the Tektro 180mm disc brakes. And now I'm gonna head back down, do a brake test. I'm gonna try to stop at the steepest part of the hill like I usually do and wait till I get around 25, 26 miles per hour. Woo! You got a lot of surface area on those tires, and so they do pull you to a stop pretty quick. A little bit of squeaking, but they're smooth and powerful. Now the brakes recalibrate automatically as the pads wear down. To wrap up the review, I'll go over the control pad and backlit LCD screen. There's a power button here. Hold up for a couple seconds, screen turns on, and that displays speed, battery life, and trip odometer, plus and minus to increase the pedal assist up to 5. It's pretty similar with all the other bikes I review. Has an M button to switch the settings here. So you can see your ride time, trip odometer, average speed, and max speed. Hold down the plus button to turn off and on the lights. To access the menu, hold down the plus and minus. And there's a whole bunch of settings you can change, such as screen brightness. You can limit how fast the bike goes. I'll have a list of everything you can change in the description. And then down here, there's a horn. The R1 comes with an IPX5 rating, which means it can withstand a low-pressure water jet from any angle, a 1-year warranty, free shipping in the lower 48, and a 14-day free return policy. Overall, if you're around my weight of 185 pounds and max the bike out, here's what you can expect. A top speed of 26 miles per hour on pedal assist 5, an average acceleration for the price taking 17 seconds to reach that speed, a pretty good range of over 22 miles on the highest pedal assist level. That's on the high end for this price range. Good hill climbing ability, hitting 7 miles per hour up a 20% grade, and nice dual disc brakes that are smooth and quiet. Now, if you want a nice looking fat tire e-bike, it doesn't get any prettier than the R1, and as you saw from the review, it's more than just a good looking bike. I thought it held up to the competition and is one of the better bikes for this price. If you want more info, I've got the link in the description. Also, be sure to check out my website for all my reviews sorted by price and capability. Before you go, hit that like button, and please subscribe for the latest in electric bike, board, and scooter reviews. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.